Hello, my Capricorn babies at sa inyo mga cross watchers. So, keep in mind, general reading po ito, maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift ang energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Okay, let's see. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. At sa inyo mga cross watchers. Eight of Wands. Five of Swords. Queen of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Justice. Temperance. King of Pentacles. And the King of Wands. Uy. Bottom card natin, Knight of Cups. May dalawang king dito ha. And ikaw yung queen na yon, Capricorn. At itong dalawang ito ay talaga magpapaligsahan to win your heart. Ayan, maaaring fire sign and earth sign energy. May Libra and Sagittarius din tayo dito. Ayan. So, maaaring isa sa kanila yung the one for you. And yung isa naman is kailangan mong iwasan with this Five of Pentacles. So, isa sa kanila ang kailangan mong iwasan at isa sa kanila yung the one for you. Pwedeng the one. So, tingnan natin to. So, we have here perfume, broom, fish, target, falling star, and coffin. Bottom card, light bulb. Okay, so parehas tong fresh energy. No, maaring nanggaling ka sa isang failed relationship na kinalimutan mo na, and then itong dalawang taong to na nagpapaligsahan to win your heart. Ayan, so talagang may something fishy dito sa isa. Isang green flag, isang red flag. So, sinong pipiliin mo? So, kailangan mo maiwasan dito yung red flag. Kaya, kailangan mo umayos ng pili dito. Huwag kang magpapadala doon sa isa kasi this person is parang wearing a mask. Ganyan. Tingnan natin. May nakikita din kasi akong parang shapeshifter. So, ibig sabihin yung pinapakita niya malayong malayo sa totoong siya or a trickster energy dito. Kaya mag-ingat ka sa pagpili sa kanila. Business is business. You're so sexy. I need to achieve my goals. Keeping tabs on you. I want to surprise you. I will fight for you and I love your humor. So, itong dalawang taon to gagawin nila lahat to win your heart. Pero nasa sayo kung sino yung pipiliin mo. You excite me. So, kuha tayo ng message ng Archangel. Hello from Heaven by Archangel Azrael. Your loved ones in heaven are doing fine. Let go of worries and feel their loving blessings. Ayan. So, mga ancestors mo, ayan, bibigyan ka rin nila ng signs kung sino yung para sa'yo or kung sino yung dapat mong piliin sa dalawang to na nagkakandara pa sa'yo ngayon. Wow. Haba ng hair, Capricorns. So, tingnan natin more messages. I want to tell you how I feel. I couldn't let you get close to me. I feel you leaving me behind. I know that I crossed the line with you. Just being near you is intoxicating. We both know I'm not the one for you. I left when I saw you with someone and I lost myself for a little while. You speak to me through music, bottom card. So, may mga signs ka na makikita, kaya wag mong babaliwalain tong mga signs na to, kung sino ba talaga yung dapat mong piliin. So, kuha tayo ng blue card. We have here courage, engagement, and confessions. So, mukhang yung isa rito, yung isa na rin sa mapapangasawa ng ilan sa inyo. So, kuha tayo. Initials. Kasi ang Capricorn ng isa sa mga signs na hindi basta-basta yan nagko-commit or nagsisettle down. Ayan, mga late bloomers din ang mga Capricorn babies natin. So, meron tayong letter L, P, X, D, H, R, U, and F. And let's see sa general signs and messages. Popular and number 4. Ayan, mga signs mo to, ha? Ayan. Aquarius, Chaser, Athletic, Province, Runner card, Birthmark, number 2. Ayan, ha? Mga signs natin. Birthmark, Gemini, Flower Farm, Flirtatious. Kasi yung isa, parang naglalaro lang. Kailangan mo tong iwasan. Nature Lover, Twin Flame. And has a dirty sense of humor. Okay. Ayan, bottom card, high expectations. So, yan ang ating reading, my Capricorn babies, at sa inyo mga cross watchers. So, thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.